just thought them people told me I was gifted. Looked up to the older nigga, but I just knew I was gonna be different. Watch these niggas around me, I know somebody hating and I feel it. Watch these niggas around me, I know somebody ain't happy that I'm shining. This shit ain't happen overnight, nigga, you been through it with grinding. I ain't got no heart, but I ain't tell you.
Bro. We got goddamn funniest moments of Johnny Depp trial. I'm probably kind of late on this shit, but I don't really been following it. I ain't really been following it. I seen like little parts on it on Instagram and shit. That's what kind of made me do it. But I don't know. But oh yeah, also if I do post videos and shit and they manage to go out, just go to the next one, because I mean I fucked it up somehow, because I still kind of don't know what the fuck I'm doing at so like, I'm getting the hang of this shit now. Let me record that bitch. Sure. Options. Alright, boom. Oh shit, I gotta my shit from the TV. I ain't editing none of that out because I don't know how. Alright, this shit better not be loud as fuck either, because it's like 4:30 in the morning either. So this shit better not come out loud. Nah, go back. What's my volume up here? Right.
And then you went in the house and saw Mr. Depp in the foyer, correct?
Yes, correct.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants, didn't he?
Hold on,
Relevance. Next question.
And you were trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, correct?
What does dick got to do with
I
this?
was trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, yes.
And Mr. Depp was refusing to leave the house, was he not?
Not so much refused, he just wanted 2 minutes to see peace.
You took Mr. Depp's arm to try to move him out, but he broke away, isn't that right?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, so he was strong enough to break away from your grip, correct?
No.
So you had his arm and he broke away, though, correct?
No.
And isn't it true that in the
So they said
entire
no.
time you were there, you were not informed as to what caused damage to Mr. Depp's finger on March 8th?
Oh shit, let me get this motherfucker out the way.
Asking what he wasn't told.
Sustain the injection. Next question.
Bro, they been trying to do my
You didn't
nigga
know
Jack.
what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on.
Cause my girl put me on to these janks. She put me on these janks. The motherfucking Pastor Carabiner. Fuck that. I had trying to do my nigga Jack, bro. Like, bro, that movie's hard as fuck though. Like, like real talk. Cause I think I probably watched I never watched one of them shits for real. I think I seen like a little bit one time, like a long ass time ago type shit. And I didn't even see the whole thing. I just seen like, I got now a little part of it. But them shits is hard as fuck. And my niggas, like, by any means necessary, get that shit done. Like,
Okay, correct?
Dr. Kidman told me he sustained an injury on one of his
Well,
fingers.
objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Oh,
Next
okay. He said he sustained
What the
an
fuck?
injury to his finger.
But I remember.
that's a reflection from the
The
glass.
whole story, how they got there. Before they went to get the keys, they come down. They say, "Somebody tried to get into my unit." There's scratches on my door. And like, oh, I'm really sorry, but who will think it's gonna get into your unit because it saw some scratches on the door, like what, 4 inches above the door? Because the dog was scratching the door, was trying to get in, and they thought about someone trying to break into the unit. I said, in my head, I was like, you think someone's trying to get into your unit? There's scratches like 4 inches above the floor on your door. That was the dog trying to get into the unit. They were so afraid. Oh, somebody's trying to get into my unit. Like, oh, come on, really?
This
And I
nigga is
actually went. They asked me to go inside the unit just to check room by room.
I think he won this shit though, but the whole time, bro, that nigga knew he was gonna win. Cause one, like from what I've been seeing, like the little snippets and like the James, that I ain't want to see too much though, cause I wanted to do a reaction to it. That's why I was like, nah. But like this so far, whatever I've been seeing, I ain't seen no parts of this shit yet. But my girl been showing me like little shits. But this motherfucker posed for a picture of her crying. Cause I was like, bro. What the fuck? But he just knew bullshit. He knew he was going to win the trial. Hopefully he did win. I didn't never look to see who won.
Sure, no one was there. So I.
Cause I don't really pay attention to celebrities. I don't be up celebrities ass, bro.
It's part of my job. Make sure they're safe. But I really, I didn't understand why they want me to do that. Like, I don't know.
What was the photograph of Mr. Depp?
My nigga Johnny.
It was a
Damn, this shit loud as fuck. Chill, Johnny.
a photograph of the bed, our bed,
This nigga voice deep as fuck. Chill, man.
and on
It's early as
my
fuck in the
side of
morning.
the
I got
bed.
people sleep here. You might know going
was
off
human
without.
fecal matter.
Fecal matter. The fuck is that?
So I understood why it wasn't a good time to go down there.
Fecal.
My initial response to that
What does fecal matter?
was, I mean, I laughed. It was so.
Let me just look up what fecal. I know y'all niggas probably looking at me in this video like, oh shit, let me turn this bitch on. I should been off the whole time. I've been chilling. Damn, this white bread. Burning the fuck out of my eye. Alright. I know y'all probably be looking like, damn, this nigga got bread. This nigga rich. I mean, I got, you know, this shit. Schnell, bro. Man, all this shit is for, I've recently just got all this shit just as a little token to myself type shit. Cause I don't really do shit for myself. For real. I be saving and making bread. All that shit I got. Like literally everything I got. Bed. This stand, I didn't even have this stand. I got all YouTube videos I made, but it was fucked up type shit. Like literally. Alright, bro. Okay. Alright, bro. Yeah, like I was saying, bro. I just like type shit. But yeah, they said it's like shit, and I did hear somewhere that she supposedly shitted in this nigga bed. He told something. He thought it was funny. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I love my guy like a motherfucker. She do retarded, crazy shit sometimes, but ain't no way in hell. And sometimes it be funny, like it don't mean she meant to be funny, but it don't be funny. But if she do that shit, bro, no. Like real talk, like no. I don't even know what the fuck I would do it like to get revenge for that type shit. Like I really
so
don't.
grotesque that I
Got
couldn't
that carrots on that they eat.
So I did not go down there that day.
So the incident was May 21st, 2016. You saw her the night of May 25th, correct?
Correct.
You said that you saw Amber Heard hundreds of times. while she was there? Ever heard treat you well, and was she friendly to you any to these hundreds of times?
Yes. I'm not gonna say no because she was really always nice.
All right, this is my last.
Be nice.
All right, this is my last question. You testified in response to Mr. Presidio's questions that you testified truthfully in all of these occasions. Did you testify truthfully to everything that you testified in response to my questions today?
That's correct.
All right.
I did.
That isn't actionable because under the Lakova versus Halper case, 995.
Bro, y'all niggas need to chill.
Retweeting a link.
Being
doesn't
loud in my
constitute
shit.
Case
Well, it does if you add something to it, but I just don't know.
Judicial admission, they admitted to the tweet. So that established
What the fuck, nigga?
that she adopted.
That shit's goddamn tweet. I don't remember. Bro, I'm not even about to finish watching this fucking video because this shit not about to waste my story with dumb shit, bro. Real talk, like the next 10 seconds, this shit don't have right. It's going off. Not bland.
So, and again, we can.
Okay, so now you're being. Jerry Judge was your
Fuck this dumb ass
He
shit,
passed
bro.
away, is that right? Okay. And now you get paid directly by Mr. Depp, correct?
Johnny White fucking up my shit. This done. Fuck it. Cause, fuck it. Might not be meant for me to do this motherfucker. I'm gonna do a different shit.